go. Gonna get some fireworks. Holy crabs.
And you said they were.
Oh, holy. Just go up. Yo!
Fortune soldier.
This is epic.
Guys, let's walk around.
The big boy. Holy shit. Can I get this? Oh my. Anthony Andrew, I found something funny.
Those are the big ones.
You guys, I found something really funny. You guys should get this. Come here.
What?
Look. The cat. The cat.
Why do you have your phone out?
Cause I'm taking a video.
And who are you going to show a video to?
Oh, I don't know. Let me show it to my friends.
You see the gorilla warfare.
I don't know what to get.
Funny. Where's the funny one?
I said that was funny.
That was cool.
$100 with the fudge?
Well, it's probably a lot.
Oh my god. The American Eagle. Where's the good stuff? Where's the good stuff? Oh, John, look at this big cat.
What's this?
No, we should go look at the cheap stuff.
No.
You know, we're not going to be able to afford anything.
Yeah, we should go somewhere else. This place sucks. What? Dude, look at all this.
How are your friends going to be able to see if you're not even putting the camera at it?
Are you even recording?
Isn't that Jonathan's old phone?
No, this is mine. This is not his.
Wait, no.
I think they have it. Oh, I want something good. Dude, did you see the funny one?
No what?
You want to see the funny one? It's the cat. I want to get it. That's over like the 99 cent. But this stuff is a lot of money.
I want it.
Oh, wait, did you just put a lighter in there and then?
Yeah.